Bismillah Rahman Rahim. If you are residing here at the in Chakwal, then you will definitely be knowing the Bin Qutb Foundation. And the Bin Qutb Foundation is doing several welfare projects. One of those important projects is the Begum Noor Memorial Hospital in the rural Chakwal near Mulhal Mughla. The village is called Ubad. That is a great hospital, one of the very much state-of-the-art hospital here in Pakistan. Despite that it is just located in a rural area, but despite all that, it is really a great hospital with a lot of facilities in it. Today, a very important memorandum of understanding is going to be signed with the health authorities of Punjab. Begum Noor Memorial Hospital, Bubad, Chitwal. Going to be, it is going to have some sort of collaboration with the District Health Authority, Chitwal. Now, see what are the details which have been agreed upon by the District Health Authority and the Begum Noor Memorial Hospital, Bubad, Chitwal. Something great indeed. I think the public will benefit a lot once the once a hospital, a great hospital, is going to have a patronage or a kind of collaboration with the district health authority, with the government of Punjab. Of course, they are going to perform much better. The public will ultimately benefit a lot. Day to day, the guests have started arriving. The function is about to begin, and Madam Sara Yad, who is the Deputy Commissioner Chitwal, is going to be chief guest here. Look at these people; they are all, some of these are belonging to the Begum Noor Memorial Hospital of the Bin Qutb Foundation. Certain other very important health. Baba Bashir Sahab, who is the Ruhe Rama, the chief of Bin Qutb Foundation and the chief of Begum Noor Memorial Hospital as well. He is talking to Mr. Shahid Azad. Shahid Azad sir is an intellectual. He is a retired professor, assistant professor, and he is, one of the important journalists and write in English and Urdu at the same time. Then there is Qazi Abbas Shah. Then there is Ghazanfar Abbasi, Tawqir Shah. All of these people. The guests have started arriving, and it is about